This video is for CIS 102 using Cisco Packet Tracer. We are going to learn to use CDP as a network discovery tool. CDP stands for Cisco Discovery Protocol, and it's an OSI Layer 2 protocol that operates between Cisco devices like routers and switches. The messages are just information about the device, such as like its ID, connected interface, software version, stuff like that. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get on router 1 and check out some of the commands. So we need to connect to router 1 from one of these computers and get to its terminal. And we're going to try show CDP. So you see a little bit of information, and then if we type show CDP with a question mark, we get some other commands: neighbors, interface, entry. So let's try interface. And you can see the output shows all the interfaces on the router. And you can specify it, like if you want to show just one interface on the router, you can do that. We can view neighbor information because the routers build a table about all its neighboring devices. So let's try show CDP neighbors. Hopefully I spell that right. And as you can see, it shows switch 1 and router 2 as its neighbors. So let's try a show CDP entry R2. So it gives us information about R2, router number 2, IP address, what interface it's connected to, software, stuff like that. So let's try another one. We'll go with show CDP entry with the asterisk. And this is detailed information about all the directly connected devices. You just sit here and enter. You can look at each one. We can disable and enable CDP globally on a router. So let's do show CDP neighbors. And now we're going to enter configuration mode. So we're going to configure terminal. Enable first. And we are going to try no CDP run. Now show CDP neighbors. Oops, got to end. And it tells us CDP is not enabled because we just disabled it. You may run into a situation where you don't want to send CDP information to Cisco devices on a network, maybe trusted or something. So you can disable CDP on a specific device. So we are going to go back and enable our configuration. So configure terminal, and then we are going to choose a specific interface. So we're going to go interface serial and now we'll try So that's a basic understanding of CDP.